Aloha and welcome to Cooking with Morty. Just a reminder that this cook show is a crab-free, and friends are not food here. So let's get started with whatever you have in your refrigerator fridge for the moment. We got butter, Brazilian nuts, carrots, potatoes, garlic, salt, cabocha. Bro, stop right there, crab you. What a crab is cabocha? A pumpkin. Okay, whatever. It will be delicious. We got some chicken sausage and cilantro. Oh yeah, I can roll with that. Let's make it a nice colorful, cozy vegetable mix and a fun dish to share with your friends, instead of the risks of a crabby dinner. How's that? Congratulations. You got it. And you can do it. Cooking with Morty may save your crabbous dinner date. So stay tuned for more interesting and colorful dishes easy and fun to cook with Morty. Hey yo, am I a crab chef now for real? InCrabdable. Find out with Cooking with Morty.